this, but one side is locked, so I need to fix it here. Almost done. Yeah, but it looks a bit. My husband will like this right now. According to me, I did everything how that woman did in that video. I absolutely love this color. Once I saw it for the first time, I fell in love with this ginseng. It's so comfortable. I guess now my husband needs to buy for me my own ginseng. And the last, I will put earrings, which makes from genuine deer. And my favorite lipstick. Since I'm already dressed, we'll take a few pictures. I tried it by myself, but it doesn't come out that good, and I want, it to look beautiful, so mother came to help me. See how professional does this. So fast. By myself, I would do the same, maybe 10-20 minutes, but she just came and she clipped it for 15 seconds. That's the level. Done? Is that it? 5 minutes with professional and I'm dressed.
How this is called?
Huh?
This is what? Chain pole. Like a chain pole. Chain pole. Right. Chain pole. Alright. Whoa, nee. What is this one? Kinchari. What is the meaning of kinchari? Kinchari tapa. Oh. Kinchari tapa. Oh. Okay, another pile. Oh, I need a sword, of course. I'm going to the war. Oh, arrows. This is arrows. Like arrows, they are shooting in the numbers. In Java, in Shillong, they shoot the arrow and then the number come. Like that. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. They put it in the head. Wow. Where's my sword and shield? Ready? Oh, or in the hand also? Yeah. Oh, like that. I come from Finland.
Finland?
Yes.
How do you feel that you are over in India?
I have been living here already 2 years.
2 years?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. From where?
Yeah, I'm married also khasi.
Married on the khasi?
Married khasi, married Indian.
Okay.
Yeah, now I gonna go to the war.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Yes, you are like Indian, very nice.
Yes, of course. Okay, God bless you. Oh, yeah.